To adjust notification sound volume by using the volume keys in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, while your phone is unlocked, press the volume up key or volume down key, and then tap the three horizontal dot icon in the volume bar. To adjust notification sound volume, slide up your finger on the notification sound volume adjustment bar for the louder sound, or slide your finger down on it for quieter sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.